If your Schlage keypad entry is failing to engage the deadbolt, you probably just need to change the battery. To access the battery, you're just going to use a simple Phillips screwdriver and quickly remove the top and bottom screws. And as you can see, I am working on the inside of the door. Now with that cover removed, you have access to the 9-volt battery. So you're just going to very quickly disconnect that battery and snap on your new battery. Once you've connected the new battery, now you just need to tuck it into place so that you can put that cover back on, and then reinstall your 2 screws using that Phillips screwdriver. With the new 9-volt battery installed, before you declare success, just go around to the front of the door and check to see that when you try to engage that deadbolt, it works properly. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.